Here we are trying to microwave the microwave.
So these guys will help us these guys are going to clean the, what is this?
Printer head.
Yeah, it's a printer head
Printer head.
from our edible printer, right?
Yeah.
So here is Elijah and John. Okay, hold this one. Don't touch the golden port, right? Okay. So this guy is the JT. Yeah, introduce yourself.
William here, trying to wash it.
Okay, so we have this brand new ultrasonic cleaner from China. Yeah, look at this. Looks tough. So there's like a strainer, and at the back side you can see underneath looks tough and heavy. It's what's this? Ultrasonic cleaner. It's 80 watts, 40 kilohertz, and 220 volts, and 80 milliliter or 0.8 liter capacity, right? There's like a capacity of probably less than 1 liter. Okay, so add small water.
Actually, put warm water.
No, just the regular water, but not much, huh?
Yes.
Up, stop. Okay. Yeah, I'm enough.
Is it enough to serve?
Okay, so who's going to talk while we're doing this? Elijah. Hey, Elijah, you do the talking.
Okay, so
We'll put this inside. Yeah, finish that. And also, then put the printer here.
see.
I think must keep this lang. Rousing. Because I'm by making. It's going to turn it.
Okay. So put
Okay,
the printer head inside the
Yeah.
strainer thingy like this one, and then we just sink it down.
I think we should add more water.
Yeah.
But
Yeah,
not
more
not
water.
not fully submerge it, right?
We won't submerge it. Tarik ka sa side. Putih ko sa side. I mean, I bowling and
Stop.
okay, this one, I think this one's enough.
Try.
Okay. Putih ko sa.
Extra careful with this.
I think we better remove some.
No, it's okay.
No?
It's okay.
Okay, let's try.
Yeah.
Okay, plug it. Kiddo, plug it. Hey, do not plug it. Plug this one first at the back of this before you plug it to the wall. So guys, this we'll just have to check if it's really 220 volts before we plug anything to the wall socket. Yeah, it says 240 volt.
It says also in
Yeah. Okay.
here.
If you look at this thing, there's like
For the heat to escape.
yeah. Okay guys, let's try it.
Shut the lid.
Place it forward. And do not touch it after. Let him close it first.
Okay, before we release her, I'm going to go and hide.
No. Okay, plug it in. Let's see. Turn it on. Turn it on now. Why are you so scared? Oh, wait. Let's see. Okay, turn on, power on. Okay, explain. So what does it
now
do?
We set the timer, that's the timer, right?
Yeah, try. 2 minutes.
It says here it's 3, so
Press it.
Self-destruct.
for some reason nothing happened. No, it's treated.
Okay, it doesn't have. Just press the power and we'll see.
We
On.
just extended the heat, I guess.
problem with this video is that the video can be very English. This China's manual to check. Actually getting the procedure here. So I guess it's counting down that way, right? So it's only 7 seconds, so let's try. How about this option here, I guess? Can you try it? Can you press it? No, just press it. Press it and let's see it. Open it.
I don't know. Oh, it's
No,
just
no, no.
stop.
Okay, open it.
It's stopping it.
Okay, press it to open again. No, no, I mean the gas.
How it's crazy. See?
Look. Open it. See? It's already the sound.
The sound.
40 minutes. 40,000 minutes to clean it. So is it hot? No, it's not.
Counting down the board.
Yeah, it's coming down, look. So it's coming down and look the pieces of resistance.
Take the rust from you.
Okay.
So it sounded
Okay, look at John. Yeah. So maybe after this one, we'll try to dry it up and see tomorrow it's going to print or not, right? Yes, it's already covered. I don't know why, but I think it has to do. Yeah, it's not that you look at my hand. Comparison, right?
And compared to the microwave.
Yeah, compared with the microwave, you can see it's this thing is small, but when it's compared to this one, this is humongous. I think it's doing its job now, and we'll see later. Okay, so while we're waiting, you're gonna answer the question again. So choose from the three questions again: science, math, and history. No, history only, math, and
Okay, different.
science. It's running away again.
your magic spell.
Yeah, you can definitely hear those sounds. Yeah, it's just vibrating. Don't mention something Tagalog.
Damn.
What's that? You guys talk lang, talk less blurry.
Oh, I don't know how to talk this. Oh yeah, okay, yeah. Wait, maybe I do.
So good luck for this guy. He's gonna be working on the loading. Do you like it? I think it's better than staying at home, right?
Yes.
And doing nothing.
You're right.
Okay, so we have 24 seconds left. 18 seconds, 17, 16. Yeah, but it's stuck. Okay, let's see. Open this. Come, William. See what happened. Okay, switch it up first.
What actually happened?
Okay.
I'm so scared.
Now the moment
Remove.
of truth.
Wow, see? It's very
See?
clean.
It's really
Okay,
clean.
I think we better remove the water and
Can you see under?
put a new
Wait,
water.
switch off the.
It's okay, just open.
No,
Okay,
come
sure,
on.
sure.
Water and power, come on. What? Not to be a steady shot.
Hey, this is YouTube. You guys don't fight him.
Don't. This is. Onward.
Yeah, nice,
take me
right?
to India. Let's go.
Is it cleaner? Does it look clean to you?
Nothing.
Wow.
Wow, you can see yourself.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, guys, we rinse it and then we try putting new water again. Huh? Guys, hold it. Remove the water from this one.
Remove this one.
Yeah.
Come on.
Capsaitin na puting yung plawan. Tapos yung lilika. Okay, puting water. Can you rinse it a bit?
Rinse it, like so. Easy, sir. Go to washing back.
Naka-washing backside lang yan. Naka-nawara ba going inside and by the way?
Money by waste.
Should I use that?
Eh, ako pa saan puting mo? Okay, puting ko inside. Okay. Okay. Puting power again.
Not try toaster. Liquid toaster.
Puting power back. Hold on. Okay. So we're gonna run this thing one more time to really clean the.
The jackpot.
On. Press on. Okay, let's see. Open it. Open it, boys. Turn it up, switch it up. Yeah, switch it up.
The water is.
Is it clear?
It looks like a kerosene or something.
The blue is coming out, right?
Wait. Damn, this thing is hot.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, remove it. I think it's okay now. All we need to do is dry it up, huh? Right?
Put thing inside the container.
Yeah, yeah. Can you get one of that container and remove the water? So we can clean this, rinse this a bit, right?
I think you literally cleaned it up like thoroughly.
I think so.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, it's shining now, right?
Yeah. Did it remove the rust?
It's actually glistening.
Wow, it
Yeah,
removed the rust.
yeah, even the rust is gone.
Wow. Oh my god.
Can I see the rust?
Oh my gosh, it's so amazing.
Yeah, before it was like rusty on this side.
The hinges, the screws, they were
Yeah.
rust. Now nothing.
Yeah, no, there's still rust
This
on
one
the
is just
inside.
because it's plastic, so.
Okay.
Wow, oh my gosh.
Okay, rinse the basket and rinse this one too. And you can give this one to William. William can put it. Don't touch the gold ones.
The jabang was hard at work.
Yes,
Nice.
I think
So what else can it clean? Like rust and all that?
first your dentures. That's why I asked you to remove your dentures, right? Remove your teeth. Come on.
Dentures.
No, it's fake. Come, remove it.
We call dog's teeth and try.
Oh yeah, you can remove the dentures. So
Okay,
how much
that's
did
it.
this cost?
Yeah, plus him.
How much did this cost?
I'm not sure. Around 600 kilo. Okay, we'll bring it there and then we'll see. We'll test it later tomorrow. Huh? If it's success or not.
Asin, you put it.
Okay, guys. That's it. We'll see tomorrow if it works or not, right?
Yes.
Should we put it inside?
Put inside. Put it.
Put it inside and then bring it to the office. Huh? But don't close it so the air can, dry up.
Circulate and run.
Okay, guys. Now, if you look closely at this thing, you can clearly see that it really cleaned this PCB here, and it's really shiny now. And before there were lots of oxidization that happened on this side, and as you can see, only the small part here was lead fitted. And it really cleaned this part. Okay, before you can see something like colors residue left over in this on this part here. Now it's pretty clean, so I'm just going to let this dry first overnight and see if we can use it tomorrow. So by the way, we used just plain water to clean this thing, and we didn't use any solutions, and we didn't use any cleaning solutions or dish soap to help the cleaning up process, the cleanup process.